Igbo ndị ọma, ekele m unu. Do you know that Igbos are the most educated people in Nigeria and in Africa? Yes, that is a fact. According to USA academic reports, Igbos are the most brilliant people in Africa. According to USA academic reports, Igbos are the most brilliant race in Africa. The father of literature in Africa is Chinua Achebe, an Igbo man. And the mother of literature in Africa is Flora Nwapa, an Igbo woman. Can you see? The three most successful female literature authors in Africa are all Igbo women. Chimamanda Adichie, Flora Nwapa, and Bushi Emecheta. All Igbo women. Igbos are the most educated. According to statistics, Imo State has the highest number of literacy rates in Nigeria. According to statistics, Southeast has the highest number of medical students in Nigeria. According to statistics, the average number of children from 12 to 17 years that never went to school in the Southeast is 0%, which means Southeast prioritizes education. According to statistics, 90 over 100 persons in the Southeast can read and write. Igbos make up the highest number of Africans who are working as doctors, nurses, lawyers, soldiers, and so on and so forth. Igbos have the highest number of professionals abroad. When the white men came to Africa, when they saw Igbos, they called them the clever people. Clever people. Ndị Igbo ejiho education egwu egwu. Ejiri egwu egwu at all. They prioritize education. Okay, if we ga akwụkwọ, ha na-aga akwụkwọ. They go to school. Ịghọta?